Hello everybody, welcome back to Simply Sadie Crochet. I am Simply Sadie, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to crochet a chain. So what you're going to need for this is some yarn of your choice. I'm using Red Heart Super Saver. You're going to need a crochet hook of your choice, one that suits the yarn well, and I'm going to be using an I-9 or a 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. So let's get started with the tutorial. You're going to find the end of your yarn, which I have found here. You're going to drape it over your hand like so, pinching it in between your thumb and your fingers. And then you're going to take the yarn and you're going to wrap it around those two fingers, and then you're going to make an X with it. So you're going to wrap it around and make an X. And then I'm going to hold it between my thumb and my ring finger, like you can see here. And I'm going to take my crochet hook, I'm going to go underneath that piece of yarn that's underneath the one we just crossed over, and we're going to go and hook onto that piece of yarn that we crossed over, and we're going to pull it up, and then you're going to let go. And you're going to tighten your yarn on your hook, and then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to grab this yarn and hold it like so. This is just what's comfortable for me, but it depends on what's comfortable for you. And I'm going to take my hook, grab it behind the yarn, and pull it through that chain. Take my hook, grab the yarn, and pull it through. Take my hook, grab the yarn, and pull it through. So there's 3 chains. Take my hook, grab the yarn, pull it through, 4 chains. Take my hook, grab the yarn, pull through that loop on the hook, 5 chains. So I'm going to do a few more with you. Take your hook, grab the yarn, and pull it through that chain, that loop. Take your hook, grab the yarn, pull it through the chain. Take your hook, grab the yarn, pull it through the chain. And that is how you crochet a chain. I hope this was helpful. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give this video a like. And please subscribe and let me know if there's anything else you would like to learn about crocheting. Thank you for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye!